Okay, so we are up to Siman number 3, and subject is laws governing putting on one's garment and proper bearing. It's very interesting. Contain 8 sifim. Okay, sif number 1. It is written in Micha 8:6, to walk modestly with God, with your God. Interesting. To walk modestly with your God. So it's not so to walk modestly and dress modestly. It's not just a good thing to do. It's actually basic requirement. Right? Just so. Therefore, a person must conduct himself modestly in all his ways. Thus, when putting on or taking his robe or any other garment worn directly on his skin, right, such as commentary such as the underwear or pajamas, right, he should be very careful not to expose his body. Rather, he should put it on and take it off only when he is lying on his bed covered. So that's a little strict opinion, but unfortunately, not too many people, including me, adhere to this opinion. But that's the Halachah. You understand? So it would not be visible. Even as we said, you're alone in your house and stuff like that. So don't do it the day one when you feel you're on a level. So you can do it. And he should not say, "Here I am in the innermost room and in the dark. Who will see me when I am not fully dressed? For the glory of the Holy One, blessed be He, fills the entire world. And the darkness is a light before HaShem. May His name be blessed." You understand? So that's when you understand that HaShem is everywhere, so everything changes. It's like you always you feel yourself that you're being filmed, right? Furthermore, acting with modesty and bashfulness brings a person to feel submissive before HaShem. May His name be blessed. That when you are bashful in front of HaShem, that's as we were talking about this. It's one of the attributes of a Jew, to be bashful. Okay.